Ma, ma. Hey Orb, Dajahao. Today is day 9 of learning basic Mandarin Chinese. I'm going to learn the 4 main tones of the language. Let's get started. Orb, I'll use the word ma using the 4 main tones of Mandarin Chinese. Let's go. The first word is mother. In Chinese, it's called ma. I'm using the first tone, ma. The second word is hem. In Chinese, it's called ma. I'm using the second tone, ma. The third word is horse. In Chinese, it's called ma. I'm using the third tone, ma. The fourth word is called or course. In Chinese, it's called ma. I'm using the fourth tone, ma. I don't know if I pronounce the words with the correct tones, but I'm trying my best. So let me know in the comments what I need to improve. So see you in the next video. Shela.